Many of you who are here today, you boarded buses to advocate for new schools that Baltimore deserved.
And I think that the ACLU will say this, that in 2013, we fought to bring back $1.2 billion to the city of Baltimore to build 28 new schools.
This is the first time in my career that I've had the privilege of opening 5 new school buildings in 1 week.
This is an absolutely unprecedented opportunity for our students and teachers. Just imagine in this energy-efficient, spacious, sunlit, high-tech building, all that our school community can experience.
First and foremost, I would say there's a feeling of utmost appreciation, considering that there's a city of high schools and a city of high school students who also need and are looking forward to having a place and a space like this where they can learn.
I didn't ever think a Baltimore City public school could ever be so beautiful. I look at it as like a new symbol of hope for students and kids in the area.
The old space, it wasn't enough space.
Now we don't have to share classrooms.
Our students and our parents, they're so excited. They feel like they're sending their kids somewhere safe. When you look in their faces, it's almost like they know that they deserve a school like this.
The reaction that we have is over the top. Like, we can't even contain our excitement. Everyone is just walking in and they're looking at their new spaces and they're saying, you know, it's about time and it's a good thing for our community.
This is wonderful because at first they had the beautiful teachers and now they have the school, they have the technology, they have the books, they have the environment to make students achieve things they never thought they could achieve.